Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. So we use remainder theorem to find the remainder instead of the long division method. So this is it. Let's say a function of x is divided by x minus b, right? So if this x minus b is equal to, if this x equals to b, so which is divided by x minus b, you know from the formula we have p over divisor, that is polynomial, this polynomial over divisor equals to quotient plus remainder over divisor. So from this, so now let's say our polynomial is this f of x. This is our polynomial. So we divide it by this x minus b, and it will be equal to what? Our quotient of x plus our remainder over x minus b 2, right? So multiplying 2, when you multiply this by this, it will cancel. It will cancel, but this will not cancel. We will now have f of x equal to q of x into bracket x minus b plus what? R. You know that when you multiply this will cancel. So we have something like this. Now let this x minus b equal to 0. So x will now be equal to b. So that means any place we see x, we insert b there. So function of b equal to what? Q of what? B, and what? B minus b plus r. So we have f of b will now be equal to, this will give us 0, so automatically this is 0. We now have 0 plus r. So we now have something like f of b equal to r. So this is the remainder theorem. So this is the remainder theorem. That is, for example, let's say a polynomial is divided by x minus 1. So if a polynomial is divided by x minus 1, just equate this to 0. So x will now be equal to 1, right? So this value, input it. To x. So when you calculate everything together, it will give you a remainder. So the remainder is the remainder when x minus 1 is divided by polynomial. So that's just remainder theorem. Now let's take example. So now example, this is find the remainder when 3x raised to power 3 plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 4 is divided by x plus 3. So how do we do this? The first step is just equate this to 0. X plus 3, which is equal to 0. From the derivation, we have no x minus b equal to 0. So we have x equal to what? B. So we do the same thing for this. And as x will now be equal to minus 3. So any place you see x in this equation, you put minus 3. So we write the equation like 3x raised to power 3 plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 4. So we write it and say, so 11x. So any place we see x, we insert minus 3. We now have 3 into bracket minus 3 cube plus 5 into bracket minus 3 square minus 11 into bracket minus 3 plus 4. So from this place, we just say minus 3 cubed is minus 27. We have 3 into bracket minus 27 plus 5 into bracket minus 3 squared is 9 minus times minus, we have plus 11 times 3, 33 plus 4. So now open the bracket. 3 times 27, we have that should be 81. So we have minus 81 plus 5 times 9, 45, right? So plus 33 plus 4. So when we calculate everything all together, minus 81 plus 45 plus 33 plus 4, so we get 1. So this one is our remainder. So the solution to this question, this is it. So instead of doing the long division method, when we use the long division method too, we surely get our remainder to be 1. So remainder theorem is easier. Please subscribe, like, and also comment.